Hey, to welcome to another beautiful, fun, and exciting episode of Cars, Styles, and Class. And I mean, let's get beautiful, get fun, to be the entertainer. Well, I'll just let you not. Mina no fantastic day, Mangmar. Katra, like day 11, day 11. Hey, day 11 of Katra's E30 daily drive build. Let's go see how it looks. Oh, no, Rish, and Drago. Yeah. Unibona ka approach or ntwe ntle. Guys, the other E30 is not here. The one you guys think it's Katra's build, it's not here. I'm gonna give you one example, and if you do not carry this example forever, you lost out. Katra's E30 has a sunroof. PKM doesn't. As varida Dinsa awe utswile ghost unabile yako lefi eta grot oh asha ya uphidi wa dilo ya pero nka tra gore le chabile we dropa koloi o re le na le chabile ya o re le kre le chance le busheletse ya e ore sa shota gudu koloi e godimo ya ore ore ka mogwe e sa le ntshwa kana shota eng no clutch ka mohare ke maina ka mohare guys mo busy ai chai phela ba le busy mo dikoloi to be honest, this guy's engine bay is very beautiful. He has the cleanest engine bays ever. But you'll see it. Guys, for me, a BMW's front is very aggressive without a bumper. Someone said it there in the comment section, and I was like, let me start paying attention to it. And the more I pay attention, is the more I agree with them. The more I pay attention, the more I agree. This guys, does this car know the owner of it? The owner wants the sunroof to be staying like this. I'm telling you right now, you will never ever see this car with the sunroof closed. From today, from the day this car is given to its owner, this sunroof will always be like, actually, you can even cut the wires with the sunroof like this, because he's always going to keep it this way. I know. I know because I know. I know because I know. And also I feel like these exhausts are too long. I come too long outside the car. But guys, do you remember 3252? I think Katra wants the same system. 325 used to go. He wants the same system, I'm sure. And I know he wants to make a plan and get it. He wants to make a plan and go get it. Guys, what's missing on this car? Let's try and count the missing stuff. I'm talking about the looks. Today nothing is happening. Days are going on and on and on. Day 11. Guys, does this count as day 11 if they're not going to be doing anything on the car? Tell me. You guys tell me. If this counts as day 11 if nothing has been done. Because I only want days to count where they actually worked on the car. But if they didn't, then why should we call it a day something? Look at this lip. Do you know this lip? The small lip. The small type of lip. Not the normal one. I want to open the bonnet, but seems like they didn't tie it. We'll be switching on the lights like. It's time for the. Sure. Okay, then I'm little busy. Kayon. I want to carry the again. Okay, and guys, you tell me what is it you would want to see the next time I'm here, because there's not much work being done on this specific one today. You let me know. Find out how to this steering is special. Do you know this steering? Do you know this steering now? That's why you are more like the BM challenge the 240. The 325 challenge the 240, 220. The M20 the IX 220. Mana? I let it chab it all. Mara I go football. You want me to show you the best part for me? Here. Looks fairly new with the exhaust. This because maybe it's because it looks complete. That's why it's my favorite. I wish the sunroof could show. From this angle. Katra the builder is back. This is the Katra I want. Katra the builder. He goes out. works hard. Works hard to come and build his car. When he has something to build, guys, Katra will work hard. Will work 9 times hard. You see how he's building this car? It's working very hard. I will show you how this car was. Don't worry. You'll get to see it. So the pace and the dream is too good. It's too good. Anyway, guys, I'm gonna have to love and leave you. I'll come back with the right now. That is all we have for this episode of Cast and Settlers. And I mean, that's good, beautiful, great fun. To be the entertainer. To see you when they start working on this car. Cheers. So as they moved it there, now they're busy giving this X-ray. The X-ray is getting each and every black portion of it blackened. X-ray is blackened. But if I black, so since they're about to paint there, they moved it this side so it doesn't get touched or anything. Katra!